Hi guys, this is your friend Aki. Merry Christmas! Today we are gonna have so much fun with this Lego maze and 2 beats. Let's get started. The starting line and this is the finish line. I need to take the beat till here. Let's get started. Whoa. Oh no, this is a dead end. I need to back.
Oh no.
Whoa. Oh yes. Oh no. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Oh, this is the right. Yes. मुझे 2 मिनट से खेलना है. ये चैलेंज है.
हाँ.
Oh my God, मम्मा ने मुझे 2 मिनट से खेलने की चैलेंज दी. Oh no. Okay, ट्राई करता हूँ मैं. I'll try my best. Oh. Whoa. Okay.
Difficult, na?
I think it's looking difficult. Whoa. Oh. Where are you going, white beach? White. Whoa. Oh no. Whoa. Oh no. Oh, wait. Oh. This is the right place. Now I need to make this one. Whoa. It's stuck, guys. Finally, I made it with 2 beats challenge. I can't believe this. So guys, if you like my video, you have to subscribe my channel Aki and Friends. Bye guys and stay healthy.